Hey fart faces, it's me, Bev. Today we have a very big unboxing, unbagging, unenveloping from Purple Pelican. That's right, Purple Pelican. They reached out to me and asked if I wanted to test out some things of theirs, and I was like, yes, sign me up. And they're a Canadian company. That's amazing. Another fellow Canadian company. That is great. I'm so excited, so let's get right into it. If you're new here, I would love it if you hit the subscribe button. I post new videos on a regular basis about diamond painting, and I'd love to have you as part of my hive. So let's open up this envelope and see what goodies they sent. So they are a husband and wife team. They're based in Canada. I think they're in Ontario, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see if it says. Yeah, they're in Ontario. And they just reached out to me and said that they saw me and they wanted to send me something to show my Canadian viewers because it would be nice to have a Canadian point of view. Okay, and there's lots of goodies in here. Wow, look at all these goodies. Oh my goodness. There's even more. We will save the big piece for last. There's even a card. There's bows. Oh, I think I ripped the bows off the big pieces. I'm sorry. I'm bad at this. Okay, so there's bows. Purple Pelican, thank you from the crew at Purple Pelican Produx. We know you will enjoy your new purchase with many hours of crafting pleasure. Yes, I will. And then here's another thank you from the crew at Pelican Products. Purple Pelican Products. Purple Pelican Products. Try and say that 10 times fast. We have a card. Bev. Hi Bev, thanks so much for your offer of a YouTube review. It is really appreciated. I am sending you 2 bead organizer trays that can be stacked or used side by side using the Velcro tabs. Extra bead bottles can be found on Amazon. I have included 4 per tray for your convenience. I'm also sending a sticky trio, a great companion for diamond beaters and those disastrous bead spills. They can be used over and over again. Just rinse with water and a little soap. Should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Happy beading, Brenda. P.S. Love your videos. Aw, she's so sweet. Yay. Okay, so let's get these things together. Okay, so these must be the extra bottles. More of these can be found on Amazon if you need to order more of these bottles. I'll show you what they're for in a second or in a minute. These are really good. This is a good size of bottle for your beads. I like that. Okay, so these are 8 bottles. Cool. And then we have this little gift bag here with goodies in it. Oh, nice. I've always wanted one of these sticky thingies. So you stick this to a mat and then your tray, I'll show you. Then your tray actually sticks to it. So if you have a diamond painting tray, here's one, you put it on the, and then it actually sticks to the mat so it doesn't fall over. It's especially good if you have a drafting table. You can also use these for cell phones. Like I think originally they were invented for cell phones. Like you put this on your dashboard and then you stick your cell phone on top of it. So that's really fancy. That's neat. And it's Purple Pelican Products. I love that it's purple. Hey, my tray is kind of purple. And then, okay, so I've seen these on, someone else was doing an unboxing of these, and I've seen these and I was like, what are those for? But, okay, so let's say you're diamond painting. You're like, oh no, I spilled my diamonds on my table. And then you use this ball, and it picks up your diamonds. Look at that. You don't need one of those vacuums. You can literally just use one of these ball things. I don't know what they're called. Sticky ball. That's an amazing invention. Okay, I'm making a mess. I'm making a mess, but I like it. I could have used this when I did my Tuesday live because I actually spilled my diamonds on the table. So they're pretty easy to rub off of the ball after you pick them up. It's way easier than trying to gather your diamonds with your hand. And these can be used over and over again, like she said in her note. You just have to wash it with a little bit of soap and water. Because I'm sure that these would pick up lint and stuff like that as well. So let's put these in here. And then this is also like a bead picker upper. So it has a little brush, so you can like brush your things into place. Oops. Maybe be more gentle than I am, because I'm very impatient and rough apparently. And then here is, it's the same kind of what is it, material as the ball, or something similar at least. Mine fell out, but there, I put it back in. And then you can pick up your beads like that, and then you can simply just go like this. Very cool. Whoop whoop. It's like doing a little dab. You dab it on your beads. Look at that. It's like a vacuum, but way better and less noisy, and you don't have to charge it. That's cool. I like this. I like these. These are really neat and useful. I wonder what's inside of it. Interesting. I can kind of see through it. Anyways, this is really nice. I really like this. And it fell off again. I'll probably just have to put in a piece of glue, or maybe it fell off on purpose because you can actually wash this part. Then you don't have to wash the entire brush. So that's cool. Thank you so much. I was not expecting that. Okay, so let's get this stuff back in the packaging. I'm going to put my ball back in this so that it doesn't get all the cat hair from my cat. So let's put that in there, and then we'll put this back in here so it doesn't catch all the lint again. Very neat, very neat. And I love this too. Like, I'm so happy I finally have one, because I am known to spill my trays. We'll just put this all back in here for now so I don't get it lost. So it doesn't get lost, because knowing me, I will get it lost. And then let's open up whatever is in here. I already know what's in here. I ripped the bows off by accident. Ugh. It's a tight fit. It's a tight fit. Okay. We are upside down. Okay. This bow fell off of here. This bow fell off of here. So we're just going to pretend that I opened them and I didn't rip the heart. Shh, I didn't rip the heart. But this is how they come when you order them. Your diamond painting tray, professionally designed for your diamond painting pleasure. An awesome gift for all diamond beading enthusiasts. Birthdays, Mother's Days, Christmas, Easter, anniversaries, any day. Includes beading tray, drill trays, Velcro dots. Cool. Multiple stacking tray system makes your painting even more enjoyable. Solid one-piece construction. Holds multiple size drill boats. 2-year limited warranty. There's a warranty. Bead bottles securely held. So let's open up one of these, and I'll open up the other one after. My desk has very limited space, so this is how they come. Purple Pelican. And there's actually a pelican with a little purple beak. That's really cute. And this box is like, it's like watercolor. Like, you can kind of tell, but there's like watercolor to it. That's really neat. Okay, so let's open it up. No scissors needed. Ooh, it comes with trays. I just read that, but it has trays. That's cool. So it has the MOSFA trays. And then it says, thank you from the crafting crew at Purple Pelican. We know you'll enjoy your new beading tray along with many hours of beading pleasure. Thank you for supporting our small business. Your great or not so great review will be truly appreciated. Giving your sincere comments for quality control all we ask. Please send fellow beading fans to Amazon to buy our tray. They will be as delighted as you. So they do have a website where you can purchase them on. I believe they do have an Etsy, and I believe they do have Amazon. So, well, they do have Amazon. So I will put links to all of their shops below, and you can purchase them at whatever website fits you the best. Professionally manufactured diamond painting drill tray system created by a diamond beater for all diamond crafters to enjoy. These are the trays. These must be the Velcro dots that come with them. And then this, oh, this is like, okay, this is sturdy. It smells nice. It smells like, I don't know what it smells like, but it smells like plastic, but like in a good way. Let me just smell it again. Okay, I really like how it smells. Off topic. So that's sturdy. Seriously, that's really sturdy. Like, look at that. That's chunky. That's a chunky boy. This isn't gonna flip over. That's awesome. Okay. So then we have our MOSFET trays. Let's open these up. Come on, fall out. In order. Okay. So then these, I'd imagine, go here like this. Wow, okay. And then we take our bead bottles, which I got 8 of them because I got 2 of these. So there's enough to put in each little area. So you kit up, or you can put your drills in here. And then they go in here, so you don't forget what color they go into, because that's my problem. And then these, I believe, so these are little Velcro dots. Let me show you. These are little Velcro dots. And I think what you do is, okay, I'm going to put one here. I'm going to put the other side here so that when, okay, stay. When I put this down, it actually sticks to the tray. So let's do it again. One here, and then one facing down. Then we'll stick the tray there, and it's stuck to the tray. Perfect. And then you get a set of 2 dots extra. Okay, so that's cool. So now it's like, oh no, I tipped it over. Oh no, my desk is rocking back and forth. But no, nothing's falling out because these are literally stuck in with Velcro, and these are embedded in there. So let's pretend, let's grab those drills again. Let's pretend that, let's say we keep our drills in here. That's enough. This can actually hold quite a lot. And then you're all like, okay, I want to use this color now. Because that's how you sound when you diamond paint. I want to use this color now. Oh, but I have to shake it. So let me just shake it and get them all lined up. That tray lines them up really nicely. And then you can be all, okay, I'm ready to diamond paint now. Let me get my multi-placer. And then you can just drill from here. And then this is really good. If you had confetti, I would say this is a really good system for confetti, because then you can have 4 colors out. But since I got 8 of these, or 2 of these trays, you can have 8 colors out. So I'm just gonna lift this off from the Velcro. Be very careful or else you will spill all your beads. I only spilled 3. The Velcro is a great idea. You don't even have to use the Velcro if you don't want to. Okay, I'm messy. Don't be like me. Don't be messy like me. So you can have 4 colors out at a time. And then all you have to do is put this back here. Cool. Okay. So let's see. I'm going to put these back in the container, and we're going to open up another set of this tray holder. Put this back, and then we'll open up this one. Okay, so we get the same things got 2 of those cards, 4 trays, dotties. I call them dotties, Velcro dots, whatever you want to call them. I love how these are packaged. Can I just say, like, very thoughtful. And then we put our MOSFA trays. And if you're wondering why I call them MOSFA trays, it's literally because it says MOSFA on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it says MOSFA. So we'll put those down. And then these go here. So technically, if you didn't want to have these here, you could put them up here. And you can line them up like this. So if you didn't want to use the Velcro, or you can have, maybe it's better this way. Sorry, 1 second. So if you wanted to use the Velcro, you could Velcro the top row of trays, and then the bottom row you can just pull out the colors. That's really nice. Or if you didn't want to use the Velcro at all, then you can have all of them and kind of pull them out. And I'm imagining you can have another stack of these trays on top. And if you're like, okay, I'm scared that having like 3 of these stacking trays is too much, you can probably use the extra Velcro that you get and put one on each side and then Velcro these trays together, if that makes sense. So that's really neat. Or if you have a huge desk, you can do this, because I have these extra bottles here. Whoa. If I don't make a huge mess, you can put them on your huge luxury fancy desk that you have. You can have 2 of these like that, or have them on each side of the painting. Say you're doing a small one. Oh my goodness, this is so handy. This will be perfect for when I work on confetti. Seriously, seriously. And these trays, like, they're not flimsy at all. They're pretty sturdy. Like, this is hard. Like, it's foam, but it's actually really hard foam. Like, oh my goodness. Like, listen to that. Listen to that fall. It's pretty thick too. So let's take a closer look. So let's take these trays out. Look at it. It's like perfectly manufactured. There's the bottom. It's almost like it's foam, but it feels sturdy, like it's wood. Like, I go like this, and I'm like, I can't even like bend it, or it doesn't bend, it doesn't warp. These are really nice. This is perfect if you're working on confetti, or you just like having a bunch of colors out at once. I really like this product. Thank you so much. Thank you to Brenda and Brian at Purple Pelican Produx for sending me this. I love these. Again, if you're looking to buy these, I will put all of their links in the description below, and you can choose whichever way you want to shop. They are based in Canada, but they ship all over the world. And they're new, and they're just like getting started, so that is amazing. They also sell other things on their website, like for example, if you wanted to get some of this stuff, they have them on their website. They also sell these, and they sell, I believe they sell diamond paintings, don't quote me on that, but if you check out their website, you can see everything that in their product line that they carry. Thank you again so much for sending me these. This is amazing, and I love supporting other Canadian businesses. So Canadians, get on this. Americans, get on this. Everyone, get on this. I love them, and I'm not even just saying that because they sent me the product. I seriously love these. They're so sturdy, and you can tell that they're made with quality. So thank you so much again for sending me them. If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos on a regular basis. I'd love it if you join my hive, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!